The 2016-2024 Chevy Malibu key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Confirm this by checking inside the fob's housing. To begin, locate the small notch or seam on the fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into this notch. Gently pry the fob open, separating the two halves. Be careful not to damage the plastic or internal components. A plastic tool is recommended to avoid scratches. With the fob open, you'll see the battery compartment. Use your tool to carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Reassemble the two halves of the key fob, pressing them firmly together until they snap shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. If the fob doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it via your vehicle's onboard system, such as cycling the ignition key. For newer 2021-2024 models, a flashing LED indicator signals a low battery, prompting early replacement.